If you installed any npm package in the last 4 days, you might already be hacked. And no, this is not clickbait. This actually happened to one of the most trusted packages in the world. This is the official report from the developer himself, explaining how millions of developers were put at risk. The package is called Axios. Hackers didn't break the system. They broke into the maintainer's account. Then they published a fake update. And inside that update, they injected something called a Remote Access Trojan. A rat is not just malware. It is a tool that gives the attacker full control over your computer. They can see your files, execute commands, steal your secrets, and you won't even notice. So when developers ran npm install, they trusted the package, but they actually installed a backdoor. Now let me explain why this is extremely dangerous. Most developers store secrets in files like .env. Inside those files, you have API keys, database passwords, access tokens. Once the malware runs, it can scan your system, find those secrets, and send them directly to the attacker. In simple terms, your entire project becomes compromised. Imagine this. You're building a project. You install Axios. Everything works fine. But in the background, your API keys are being stolen. Your GitHub access is exposed, and you have no idea. That is exactly what happened here. The attack lasted only 3 hours. But here's the problem. Thousands of developers use automated system CI/CD pipelines, auto deployment. So even in 3 hours, the malicious code could spread into servers, production systems, even company infrastructure. This is called a supply chain attack. Instead of attacking you directly, the attacker attacks something you trust and uses that trust to reach you. Now, how do you check if you are affected? Run this command. It will scan your project for the malicious versions. If you see any result, assume your system is compromised. Downgrade to a safe version. Remove the malicious dependency. And most importantly, rotate all your credentials. Because once a secret is exposed, you must assume it is already in the attacker's hands. Now here's the scariest part. The attacker didn't hack the code. They used social engineering. They tricked the maintainer, gained access to his computer, installed malware, and from there, they got access to the npm account and published the malicious update. One human mistake, massive global impact. This is how modern hacking works. Not brute force, not guessing passwords, but exploiting trust. If you want to understand hacking at this level, subscribe, because I'll break down real-world attacks like this, step by step,